When I was young, my dog ran away. And for a little girl with no friends, it was as if the world ceased to spin. After a while, my parents offered to replace the dog, but that only made it worse.
Benny! Benny?
Gardening is in many ways like having a pet. You feed them, nurture them, say encouraging things. You love them unconditionally. But they never run away.
Benny? Excuse me? Have you seen a dog? I live down there, and I thought he might have run through the fence.
I did see a dog. I think an animal got it. About 2 weeks ago. Do you want to see it?
No, thanks.
Come on. It'd be cool. It's starting to smell. You could touch it, but you can't take it with you.
In order for something to grow roots, you have to bury it.
Finally taking your art seriously, huh?
Because things you love will always leave you. If you let them.
Do you have your flyers? Who left the gate open?
I did.
I know that loss is giving up control and gaining understanding, but that never really helped me.
Excuse me, have you seen my dog?
Oh, he's cute. You out here all by yourself? Why don't I help you find him? Let me go get my phone. I know some great hiding spots.
Are you okay, honey?
Hey.
Why don't we go inside and sit down? I'll get you a glass of water. I saw your flyers. I lost my dog once, too. My parents offered to buy me a replacement. That didn't make me feel any better. your dog felt good. But killing you made me feel way better. It's new for me, but I feel